Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're excited to share the new Samsung Galaxy A32 5G is coming to T-Mobile, the leader in 5G. The Galaxy A series is a new family of Samsung devices that can help deliver everything you need to stay connected, including great screens, camera features you'll love, and long-lasting batteries, all on T-Mobile's nationwide network. In this video, we're going to take a look at the affordable new Galaxy A32 5G. Let's check out its cool features, including its big display, quad camera, and long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery. And we'll even see what's inside the box. Opening up the box, you'll see the A32 5G's edge-to-edge 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V 90Hz display. The 90Hz refresh rate delivers improved scrolling and better visuals. It's so good, you may never want to go back to a standard 60Hz screen again. And with 4 lenses on the back, plus a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, you're ready to go wherever inspiration leads. The Galaxy A32 5G can even help give your charger the day off. The A32 5G's long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery helps you do more with T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Now, one of my favorite features is that the A32 5G comes with 64 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable micro SD card slot that lets you add up to a terabyte more. Inside the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, the quick start guide, SIM card, USB-C charging cable, and 15-watt fast charger. The new Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, a great priced 5G smartphone that's part of the new Galaxy A series, a family of devices packed with awesome features designed to help you get and stay connected on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new Galaxy A32 5G at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at T-Mobile.com. Now stay tuned for the next exciting A series smartphone video coming up next.